much boost, bro. 3 times, bro. Bro. Dude, how else am I supposed to gap Hector knowing that you got 3 spoon engines?
What's going on, guys? So I'm on the phone with the DMV right now. I figured this would be a great opportunity to start recording. My boy Mike's gonna be coming over. Actually, I think I just heard his car. We're gonna start getting logs from his Evo to begin tuning his new turbo, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so I also need to run a couple errands. That's his car right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the mic, but he's coming over. We're gonna get some logs, start the tuning process. It's gonna be a fun time. And I'm gonna bring you guys along during the process to show you guys what it's like to get logs to send to your tuner over and over and again just to tune a car. But yeah, so let's hop in his Evo and begin this process while I'm still on the phone with the DMV. We really out here doing the most. We really out here.
I was really hoping that was going to be enough.
Online services on our website at www.njmvc.
Okay, so currently we are doing a data log. Thank you. This is just a cruise log, I believe, 20 minutes. So pretty much have it open logging, 20 minutes just driving around. It's good though because we can run errands.
Boost, bro. 3 times, bro. Bro. Dude, how else am I supposed to gap Hector knowing that you got 3 spoon engines? Okay, and NOS. Bro, I can't. That's why I gotta up the boost, more boost. I don't care if it's a danger to my manifold. We're gonna fucking send it, okay? Yeah. Topped out at like 140. Bullshit, my tuner. Yeah. So why the fuck do you redline on a base map? I was like, oh. The reaction.
Damn dog, is that a Tome?
See.
Okay guys, we're back in the Evo. Still on the same base map. Is it a base map?
Yeah, you can say that. It's more like it's revision 2 right now, so.
Okay, so we got the okay from Chag Tuning to go ahead and start logging full throttle pulls.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun now.
How many pounds of boost is this gonna be on?
From what I was seeing earlier from just cruising around, it should be about 15 pounds.
Got the laptop here. And pretty much start data logging. It's just pretty much one button.
Yeah,
and then,
it's already all set up.
Yeah, so right now we're going to try to find a back road to go on and get these pulls in. Okay, ready?
Yep. Yeah.
All right.
1, 2, 15-pound pull.
That felt good.
That's half of what it should be on E85.
Jesus Christ. Started.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's what it's like to E-tune. All right, drop a like. Mike.
Pretty much what we did is we got two data logs in, pretty much 2 pools. We're gonna send them over to Chag, and then I guess we're gonna wait for the OK and another revision. I guess with more boost.
Yeah, it'll be next boost. I would assume, as long as there's nothing bad about that, which it didn't seem like it was anything bad during those pulls. It felt really
that
solid.
felt so healthy.
So I would assume probably the next one would probably be 20 pounds, and then from there they'll move it up to 25 pounds and play around a little bit, and then next thing you know, I'm on start doing E85. All right, so right now we are flashing the ECU with the revision 3 of my tune. Okay, so we use a software named was it ECU Flash, and I got the tune revision right here. I loaded it right up, and I go right over here. I write currently loaded ROM image and everything. Bam. Otherwise, make sure the car's in the on position, which it is. And now you rip it out really fast and break your car, and then you can drive it again. No, you leave it how it is. It's no big deal. It goes, I think it's like 15-20 seconds. Sends the tune through, and then the fun sauce happens.
Turbo.
Yeah, bro. To Garrett. All right, next thing you know, we turn this off. There we are. And then I do that. Exit out this bad boy. We open up Evo Scan, and I turn my car on. And there we are.
It's on that side.
We are ready to go.
All right, let's do some logs.
I just got to set the wideband to the right port. So now we're on COM port 4, and we are all good to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My stocking toes are like harder, daddy. Alright. Bam. Reflashing the ECU again. It's that time. So, ECU flash.
Is this the 4th revision?
This is in fact the 4th revision. This should be probably 22, 23 pounds. I don't know if it'll jump right up to 25. But we'll find out very shortly.